So I want you guys to remember, we have our 2-on-1 special going on where you buy one membership, whether it's the US30 or the NASDAQ Snipers, you get the other one totally for free. It's going on for the first 25 students only. Get connected. So listen, I know that for those of you who recently joined my NASDAQ Snipers Club, I know you're gonna be extremely happy when you hear about this one. All right, this Thursday, I am doing an all-day event for my US30 Assassins Club students. This is where I'm gonna be sitting there with them all day long, pointing out opportunities based on VPAS, based on LCS, based on SMS, based on TPES, and of course, none other than my SIT, where I'm helping my students not just get into the market, but ride the market from support to resistance, from resistance to support. All right, all this is going on this Thursday. It's gonna be an all-day event, so you wanna make sure you take part in it because, listen, there are so many people who have skipped town on the US30 to go trade on other areas of the market. But you know, you can finally learn how to trade on the US30 and do so through my vision, through my knowledge, through my trading framework. And this trading framework is what's helping so many people change their lives, all right? So you wanna make sure you get connected with me and make sure that you take part in this event on Thursday. It's not a one-off event. I wanna be having this event more often because I wanna make sure that, you know, you're able to tap in to an all-day session where regardless of your workload or what you have going on with your family, you can actually sit in on an event where you can learn how to trade on the market, all right? So I gotta do this because I gotta show people the truth in how to read the market, how to confidently trade the market, how to think about the market, all right? It's happening this Thursday. You wanna take part in it. It's gonna be happening early Thursday. I'll say probably starting like 5 or 6 a.m. EST and lasting until maybe early afternoon. So you wanna make sure you take part in this. And listen, walk away with some points because we're grabbing hundreds of points every single day in the market. You know, you're talking about thousands of points every single week. So take advantage of it. It's happening this week, Thursday, all right? I look forward to having you guys on. For those of you who are brand new, those of you who are yet to come, I welcome you kindly. Listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, remember to remain and stay creative in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right? Peace and blessings, everyone.